Hi, welcome to My Cute Toons. Today we're going to draw Annie from Little Einsteins. Grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to start with two eyes right here in the middle of the page. So we're going to draw two circles. Try to make it as round as possible. And then we're going to draw the irises. Then inside the irises, I'm going to draw two pupils. And as usual, two light reflections. Right above the eyes, I'm going to draw the eyebrows. So I'm going to do the bottom part of the eyebrows first, and then the top part. And eyelashes as well. Let's fill the pupils, the eyelashes and the eyebrows in. Now we're going to do the hair, and we're going to draw the hair out on both sides. About that distance on both sides. And then on top of the hair, I'm going to draw hair standing out. And now we're going to connect it to the side of the hair. So on both sides we're going to make it nice and round, nice curve, and connect it. Then right below the hair we're going to draw sideburns, two of them. There we go. Right between the eyes I want to draw a little nose, and then we're going to draw a smile slightly skewed to the side, and we're going to draw her mouth open. Teeth, and then the tongue. And now we're going to draw a nice curve for her chin. Now we can draw the ears on both sides, and you can make it nice and round, and on this side we can do the same thing. And then just the inner ear, and on this side we're going to do the same thing, the inner ear. And then right below that I'm going to draw two bows. So first of all I'm going to draw two egg shapes, ovals, there we go. And now we're going to draw the bow. And on this side you're just going to break it down and take it up again. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. A bow, up and up. There we go. And then the ponytail. You can draw a nice tear shape for a ponytail, and on this side you can do the same thing as well. A nice tear shape. From here I'm going to draw a little dress. I'm going to start at the head, and I'm going to bring a line outwards, curving outwards. And at this side I'm just going to give it sort of a curve also, and I'm going to make it a bit shorter. And then with a nice round line at the bottom, I'm going to connect these lines with each other. There we go. And right here in the middle she has this little pocket. I'm going to draw a little pocket there as well. From here I'm going to draw the arms. So I'm going to start with the shoulders. I'm going to draw the shoulders, and now it's time for the hands. First the arms, both sides, and now I'm just going to draw two little balls, and now right below we're going to draw a straight line down right here in the middle of a dress, and on both sides you're just going to bring 2 shorter lines in. We're going to connect these 2 lines. We're going to draw the shoes. So I'm going to start here, I'm going to make it nice and round, and I'm going to bring it back. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. Bring it back, cross, there we go. And then here we can just draw the front part of the shoes, connect it there at the back, and then we have some shoelaces. And on this side let's draw the shoelaces as well. Maybe 2 little buttons there as well. And there we go, there's Annie. Now look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and you can color Annie in, and I'm sure she's going to look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.